Dear students, I am going to speak on resonance inhibition. The word inhibition, it means resonance is prevented or resonance is not taking place. You remember that a conjugated molecule undergoes resonance only when all its constituent atoms lie in the same plane or nearly in the same plane. If anyway plane of the constituent atoms becomes disturbed, the molecule will not show the resonance, then we say that resonance is inhibited or resonance is prohibited. A conjugated molecule undergoes resonance only when its constituent atoms lie in the same plane or nearly the same plane. But if the planarity of the molecule is disturbed, the molecule does not show a resonance. Then we say that resonance is inhibited. Resonance is inhibited. See with the help of examples. This is 1,3-butadiene. All atoms in the same plane, shows resonance. On the other hand, when you substitute two hydrogen atoms, this hydrogen atom and this hydrogen atom, by tertiary butyl group, the bulky group, resonance does not take place. Because this bulky group twists the molecule along C2-C3 bond axis. As a result of this molecule does not show resonance, or in other words, we can say that resonance is inhibited in this molecule. The name of this molecule is 2,3-di-tertiary butyl 1,3 butadiene, a twisted molecule along the bond axis C2 along the bond axis C2 C3. Because of twisting, the molecules loses the planar character. All the atoms of the molecule does not lie in the same plane, so resonance is not effective. So this molecule shows the inhibited resonance. Where we can say that there is resonance inhibition. Its former or its parent molecule 1,3-butadiene shows resonance because all the atoms lie in the same plane. But in this case, because of the twisting of this bond, the tertiary butyl groups orient in such a way so that planarity of the molecule becomes disturbed and resonance is not possible. So this molecule shows no resonance, so resonance is inhibited. The another example is picryl iodide. The other example is example 2 is picryl iodide, represented as this is picryl iodide. This CN bond length is 1.35 angstrom unit and this bond length is 1.45 angstrom unit. Resonance is possible to some extent because of this nitro group, because of this nitro group. This comes over here, this goes over here, so we get the another structure. Positively charged. This is NO2 group, this is NO2 group, this is iodide. This nitro group does not participate in resonance because this is out of the plane. This ortho nitro group does not take part in resonance because this is out of plane. The reason is very clear. This bond length, the CN bond length is 135 picometer or 1.35 angstrom unit, and this bond length is larger, 1.45 angstrom unit or 145 picometer. Because of the difference, it seems that the larger iodine atom causes steric force on the ortho nitro groups. Because of this nitro group goes out of the plane, or this nitro group goes out of the plane and the resonance becomes inhibited. So this molecule shows resonance inhibition. Thank you.